As you can see, this is how the heavy wind destroyed an event that is happening at Vision Africa. We thank God no life was lost, and the media sets, the media equipment has been destroyed. As you can see, the wind is still on. I just hit the share button and share. Everything has been destroyed at this event. But the white people that came to see the school debate, they are all safe.
Very lined up now.
Give me the tiny one. Give me the other tiny one. Let me. All right, we are here at Vision Africa Radio 104.1 FM. Today it was meant to be a Vision Africa Radio collaboration or in conjunction with Abia State Ministry of Education for 2024-2025 School Debate Prize presentation day. As you can see today, the heavy wind just destroyed the big tent that were meant for the school debate. As you can see, the school people are just running helter-skelter. Thank God no life was lost. This is here in Abia State. Just hit the share button. Hit the share button. This is happening right here in Abia State. Hit the share button. The heavy wind destroyed both the media, LED, they are all destroyed. The heavy wind is still. Let's find a way to get out from here. Hit the share button. Don't forget this a debate. This is the grand finale for prize presentation day for 2024 to 2025 school debate. Quite unfortunate, the heavy wind destroyed the tents. As you can see, children, the school people are just moving around to see. I hope you are safe. You are safe, right? Okay, good. That's very good. That's very good. That's very good. They are safe. They are safe. Please, can you tell us what happened to your equipment?
My screen, two of my screens are down.
The LED screen.
Yeah, LED screen. But I'm trying to see what I can do to come back them.
This Vino visual is here. He is the person in charge of the multimedia today. You can see most of his equipment were also destroyed. We are so sorry, sir. So sorry. As you're watching ABN TV, see the school people are running helter-skelter, and thank God they are safe. Let's get more information as we go close to the school people. Hello, come. Hey, come. I hope you people are safe. You people are safe. You are safe, right? You are safe. Okay. All right. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Oh, big phone. Yes. You go there. I don't sure how to predict on our level. Draw the Vino. I saw a big phone down. Yeah. Have you seen the phone? No. There's a big phone I saw there. Oh, wait. Did you see any tablets? Tablet phone on our level. I saw a tablet phone there. Just calm down, you. All right, this is Africa Radio, where the event was meant to take place. But quite unfortunate, the heavy wind destroyed. You can see. I hope people are safe. People are safe, right? People are safe. You are safe, right? Okay, thank you very much. It's quite unfortunate to see that the tents, due to the heavy storm that destroyed the event. But we're hoping that the organizers will recoup and come back and see what they can do. A lot of things has been destroyed, both the multimedia that are present streaming live, and also Abia TV is also here. But quickly we turned out and take most of the equipment out from the scene. Well, as we said before, this is Vision Africa Radio 104.1 FM in conjunction with Abia State Ministry of Education 2024-2025 School Debate Prize Presentation Day. This is the prize presentation day and the grand finale of the event that has been for long. So we thank God that we have no victim and no life was lost. Yes, there is Vision Africa. This, you can see, this is their high tower, and this is the radio station. You can see from the other side why this is the field, and by the side here is BCA, and this is the field. While all right, this is one of the presenter at Vision Africa. Today is meant to be the Vision Africa Radio 104.1 FM in conjunction with Abia State Ministry of Education 2024-2025 School Debate Prize Presentation Day. But quite unfortunately, this happened, and we have one of the presenters, the radio Vision Africa. Please, can you tell us what right here today?
My name is Johnson. I'm the head of events and promo, and it's unfortunate that the people who contracted to give us tents could do such a thing. This isn't the first time they are giving us tents, and suddenly they just gave us a tent that could not even stand. They've given us tent before with a heavy rainfall, nothing happened, and today the fast approach, the quick action to just see the mount and go, and they were here yesterday or day before yesterday. I'm so surprised that this thing would happen like this, and it's so embarrassing. Not just that, what if this could have happened on top of somebody, or this fell on top of someone? It would have been a different story. But thank God there's no casualty, but it's so bad, so bad that you can contract someone to do something and you can give the best. And you know, this is not the first time. You've only been contracted for this, and now if you stop contracting, you feel like probably the organization don't feel like working with you. But it's so embarrassing that they would do such a thing. We've had several rainfalls. This is not the first time, but yet nothing of such. I don't know why they could do such a thing.
Thank you,
but we are still on because we're going to use the office itself to kick off the program.
All right, thank you very much for this information. All right, I just hit the share button, keep sharing. We are still at the Vision Africa radio event place, where the heavy storm destroyed a lot of things. We have some of the visitors that came around. Good day, sir. I hope you're safe.
Very safe.
You are safe, right?
Yes.
So have you seen such thing like this before?
Yeah, unfortunately we have. I mean, we get bad windstorms in the U.S. too, so we've seen a tent or two collapse, but we're just giving God the glory that nobody was injured. All the kids are safe, and they're taking it really well.
Thank you. What's your name, sir?
Troy Miller.
Troy Miller. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right. Okay, still at the event, we like to speak to several people for them to give us an update on the event. Although one of the presenters also tried to tell us that the event will still be on, and now they are taking it to a smaller place whereby they can hold the event. Okay, let's go direct to where the equipment are. You see?
I don't know why I get all this kind of play here. And the rope is not.
Basi. Can you talk to us? What actually happened? Tell us your name and who you are, please.
My name is Victor Bassi. This is the grand finale of 2024 edition of the debate competition. It's quite unfortunate that nature decided to do its job, and I won't question anyone for this. However, we still find modalities to ensure that we have a grand finale of the competition. Thank you very much.
Okay, but the event, is it still holding?
Absolutely. That's exactly what we're trying to do at the moment, trying to make sure that we find alternative way aside from these venues that are disrupted by the heavy rain.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
All right, let's go back to the multimedia people, and as you can see from the director, he have said that most of the equipment have got some damage. So, did you recover some other? Have you recovered them?
I'm able to recover some are broken.
Oh, some are broken. So sorry.
No. Remember the way you package
So what do you have to tell us? You work with Vision Africa, right? So actually, this is just a shock to the management. So what do you have to say?
Well, this is a natural disaster. You can't tell what happened next, but it has happened that the wind had to bring down our tents during this very day that we were doing our school debates presentation. But in all, even the scripture saying all will still go by. I believe in our next planning we won't have this. This is an eye-opener to us, but it's painful. But it's thank God for everything.
All right, thank you very much. Let me take it from where he stopped. It's a very big disaster, though the multimedia people are still trying to pack all their equipment. So sorry for what happened. So sorry for what happened. All right, hit the share button, share to your friends and family, and follow our page Abia TV for more updates. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.